Hi, welcome back to our new video. In this video I will show you how to edit Night Moody filter in Lightroom. Here are some example photos before and after using this filter. DNG file link is given in the description. Now let's start editing. First go to Light and follow the steps. Now go to Curve and make a curve like this. And done. Now go to Color and follow the steps. Now go to Effect and follow the steps. Now go to Detail and follow the steps. Copy this settings to apply it on more photos. And click on Paste Settings. Subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for more editing video.